How to change default cities in Clock widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press on the Clock widget on your home screen. This will open up a menu with several options for the widget. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit Widget. This will take you to the widget settings page where you can customize the cities displayed. Here, you will see a list of the current cities being shown on the widget. Tap on the city you wish to change. You can now scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a new city. In this case, tap on the search bar to find the city you want. Then, simply tap on it to select it. The widget settings will update to show the new city you have chosen. Finally, tap anywhere to go back to your home screen. You will now see that the Clock widget has been updated with the new city. Following these steps, you can easily change default cities in the Clock widget on an iPhone.